Make money online with CPA marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you completely free CPA marketing strategy for beginners. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So right now you guys can see I am in SimilarWeb, and you guys can see this website is getting 141,000 monthly visits. We're going to use this website to promote our CPA offers. And second website is we're going to use this website. This website is getting 3.3 million monthly visits. So we're going to use these two websites today to promote our CPA offers and start promoting CPA offers and make money with them without spending a dollar. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote our offer. So let's go. So first step is you guys came to CPAGrip to select an offer. So CPAGrip, I show you this platform a lot of the times in my previous videos, so everybody know. If any new person is watching this video, you guys literally just came to CPAGrip, click register your account, and simply add all your details, and CPAGrip don't need any approval. They will instantly create your account. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna go and log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, right now you guys can see I am logging in my CPAGrip account. So once you log in first time, what you guys can do quickly, we're gonna go and promote an offer, right? So you guys, there's a lot of ways, like a lot of different ways, but these are a little bit complex for beginners. That's why I'm not going to show you in upcoming videos. I'm going to show these methods, but for now I'm going to simply click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, then you guys can see this kind of page. So in here you guys can see these are a few filters like country, category, show stats, search, and select a specific device or mobile phone. You guys can do these filters if you want, and you guys can see United States is selected. And if you scroll down, you guys can see these are all United States offers. Means like if you grab a link of one of these offers, and if you go and promote in any other country without United States, the link will redirect you to the different page. Okay, so the country selected you here, you must promote these offers in that country. It does not matter where you live, the country you guys selected here, and the offers will pops up. Once you select the country, you guys must promote these offers only in that country. If you promoted these offers in any other country, they will redirect you to the different page and you will not making money. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna select a specific country. So I'm gonna go with like United Kingdom today, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I selected a United Kingdom, and now you guys can see these are all United Kingdom UK offers pops up. So I'm gonna select the highest payout. So highest payout is $1.79, and second is like $1.71. So you guys can select any offer, it's completely up to you, but I'm gonna go with like this offer. It looks really good, you guys can see. So I'm gonna click this offer and let's see. Okay, so it's only a email zip submit. So this is small form, first name, last name, and submit emails, and simply click yes, no, and enter now. So this is a simple offer, and in every email submit or like zip submit, we will able to make $1.71. Okay, so it's a like a little voucher price, and it's, you guys can see, win a 500 pounds gift card basically. Okay, so today we're gonna go and promote this offer. So what we're gonna do is simply copy this link. Once you copy this link, close this. So once you close this, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and promote this link. So let's go. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this link. So the next step, you guys simply came to this website, is called systeme.io. In here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a landing page. Nowadays, you guys know, like no website allow you to do direct linking. Every website needs a landing page. That's why we're gonna create a simple small landing page quickly. And I show you this website because this website is completely free for beginners. It's completely free for sign up. Okay, you guys go and create your free account, and simply then once you create free account, you guys exactly see the same page once you log in first time. What we're gonna do, you guys simply click on funnels, and we're gonna quickly create a small landing page. So once you click on funnels, you guys can see this kind of page. In here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna simply click create and name your funnel. So you guys can see I named my funnel CPA UK. You guys can select any name, simply click select a custom and click save. So once you click save, now you guys simply click on CPA UKA, and now we're gonna click add step. Again, add a name. Again, I added CPA UK. You guys can add any name, and in here you guys can see type. I'm gonna select a sales page and simply click save. Once you click save, you guys can see a lot of templates will pops up. So you guys can literally select any template. So I'm gonna go and select this template. You guys can select any template. It's totally completely up to you. Select this, So once you select this, you guys can see this icon, pencil type of icon. Simply click edit page. So now you guys can see this template pops up, open up fully. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete every single thing from this template, and we're gonna build our simple landing page from scratch. So quickly I'm gonna delete all the things, all the elements from this landing page. So now you guys can see I deleted every single thing except this from my landing page, and we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So quickly I'm gonna drag and drop that row here like this. Click this row, scroll down, and you guys can see first I'm gonna select a background color to white. Then again I'm gonna quickly scroll down, and you guys can see shadow. I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow. Now I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna add my main headline first. And second thing is I'm gonna also add an image. Where is the image? There you go. Drag and drop that image here. And last thing is I'm gonna add my button. So first I'm gonna quickly copy paste my headline, so answer and win. First I'm gonna copy, go with like H2, and I'm gonna increase the size to 50 like this. And I'm gonna also change the color win into turn black into red. So what I'm gonna do next is click like you guys can see orange, and I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna copy paste one more thing. So you guys can see copy and paste, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with like 32, and it looks good. So these are simple dashes I added in here, like answer and win, a brand new. And I'm gonna do one more thing. Again I'm gonna copy, duplicate, sorry, and you guys can see the drop arrow, click this, sorry, like this. And now I'm gonna again add one more thing. I'm gonna simply copy and paste like this, and I'm gonna also change the color to red, and I'm gonna also increase the size to somehow 65. Now it looks good. Now in here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload an image quickly, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, so you guys can see I uploaded this image, and quickly I'm going to decrease the size, and I'm going to go with like 500. Now it looks good. It's the gift card image, and you guys can easily find this kind of images in Google, because I literally downloaded this image from Google. And now you guys can see this is how our landing page looks like. It looks pretty good, but few things is remaining. The button, I'm going to click this, scroll down quickly. I'm going to change few things. First thing is I'm going to change, like first I'm going to remove the subtext like this, and second I'm going to add my text call to action. I'm going to copy and paste like click and win. I'm going to also increase the size to somehow 35, and I'm going to also change the font, and I'm going to go with like Acme. And last thing is I'm going to scroll down and change the color to little bit dark color, like click this, and I'm going to go with like little bit dark, or I'm gonna literally go with like red color, because red literally looks a little bit good. And you guys can see rounded corners, I'm gonna go with like 10. So you guys can see rounded corners, I added 10, and you guys can see edges is rounded, it looks good. And I'm gonna also add a blurry shadow. I'm gonna also change the bottom color to red, and now you guys can see our button looks really good. And few things is remaining. Scroll up, I'm gonna click on this white background and scroll down. First thing is if you scroll down, and you guys can see rounded corners, again I'm gonna go with like 10. So once you added 10, now you guys scroll up, and you guys can see the edges is round, and you guys can see this looks really good. Again I'm gonna click on this white background, left 200%, right 200% margin. I'm gonna click on this background again and scroll down, and you guys can see background color. I'm gonna go with like dark gray, and now you guys can see how it looks like. So our landing page is super simple and looks really good. And do not forget this, click this, go with like open URL and paste your CPAGrip link here. Like simply copy and paste your CPAGrip link here, and if you want to add the link in your image, you guys can also go with it. It's completely up to you. So I also added a link in my in this image and also in this button, and simply click save changes. So once you click save changes, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and promote this simple landing page. So let's go. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna go and promote. Before I'm gonna go and show you the website, first I'm gonna show you the stats. This website is getting more than 100,000 monthly visits, but the main thing, if you scroll down, you guys can see 82% traffic this website is receives from United Kingdom. Okay, so that is the main thing, 82%. So that's why first we go to this website, and this website is called spydeals.co.uk. So once you came to this website is a really big website. It's not really big, but still this website is really big, and you guys can see there's a really engaged website. A lot of people are selling this kind of stuff, and a lot of people are also selling like deals like Amazon sellers, a lot of Amazon sellers are selling their deals through this website. I don't know how, but still people are doing this. And you guys can see a lot of people are like these things. You guys can see like 216 likes, 207 likes. Still there are a few 0 likes, and 200, 266. And you guys can see it's like, for example, if anyone this post have like, for example, 270 likes, it means like thousands of people watch these posts. That's why 270 likes this post gets, right? And everybody know like not everyone is liking, that's why these are a lot of likes. And you guys can see 1 hour ago and like something like this. Okay, and now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote our CPA offer completely for free. So once you came to this website, so I am already registered. So what you guys can do, you guys first register your account. It's super simple. Add your email, password, name, and your account will be created. So this is my account. So once your account is logged in, your account looks like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply click on share a deal. Once you click this, now you guys can see these 3 things like deals, vouchers, company reviews. So we go with like voucher, click this, and in here first you guys can add your like landing page URL, and in here you guys can add your voucher code, any code literally. So right now you guys can see I added my landing page URL, and I also added a voucher code. It's completely up to you guys can add any code. So I added £500 code, and you guys simply click next. So once you click next, first thing is you guys can see image. So it's optional, but still I'm gonna go and upload image from my PC. So you guys can see I uploaded a gift card image. So this is how our gift card looks like. I literally downloaded this image from Google. Okay, now if you scroll down, you guys can see pricing. You don't need to add any pricing, and I'm gonna also click free shipment. You guys added free shipment. Now you guys can see scroll down, and you guys can see add your title and description. So quickly I'm gonna copy and paste, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so now you guys can see I added my small title, and that's my description. So once you added this, then you guys scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see pick a location. So I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna also select all the locations, literally all the locations. I'm gonna go and select. So these are all UK locations. Okay, so once you selected all locations, now you guys can see also able to select a date, means like from which date your offer is starts and what's your expiry date. So I'm not gonna go and add it. If you want, then you guys completely go with it, but I'm not gonna go with this. Now our ad, basically this our post is almost done. Once you did this, then you guys simply click create a new deal. So once you click create a deal, and your deal is going to post, it will take some time to review. Once it's approved, your deal will be approved. Okay, so this is the first way, this is the first website. Let's go to the second website. Before I'm going to show you that second website, you guys can see stats of this second website. This website is getting 3.3 million monthly visits. It's a really big website, and if you scroll down, and you guys can see 88% traffic this website is receives from United Kingdom. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you that second website. So the second website is called latestdeals.co.uk. So again, this is a very similar site, exactly same procedure. So once you came to this website, a lot of people are buying, selling discount, like a lot of Amazon deals is you are able to see in these websites. I don't know what's going on, but still you are able to see. But what we're gonna do is, you guys came here, you guys register your account. I am already registered, and exactly same process you guys can do. Once you log in, you guys able to see this share button. You guys can simply click on this share button, and you guys simply click on vouchers or click on freebies. It's completely up to you. I'm not gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Exactly same procedure you guys can do. Literally add your landing page link and click next, and you will able to see all the same steps again. Okay, and you guys can do exactly same procedure which I showed you for the previous website. Okay, so with this method you guys are able to make money online with CPA marketing, but it will take some time because it's free traffic method. You guys must be consistent with this method for at least 10 to 15 days with this method, then you are able to see results. And make sure you guys must be consistent with this method, and you guys must post at least one offer or one ad every single day on these both platforms every single day consistently, then you are able to see results. It will took some time because I told you it's a free traffic method. It will took some time, and if you want and if you're looking for a completely fastest way to make money online, then I suggest you guys can go and watch this video. And if you want to make 0 up to 10 or $20,000 a month and generate your first sale in just 24 to 72 hours, then join our Affiliate Begins program that's specially designed for beginners. It's officially launched, link in the description. Go and check it out.